exactly the level of frightening that we need it to be.
Pineapple's on board, though. Sticking it in there 3 wide, and there's a huge pileup in the Leroy Jenkins Memorial Corkscrew.
Have y'all noticed there's an inordinate amount of dust and dirt and, dare I say, clag on the racing surface?
There is an insane cluster of things happening all at once.
That just got really bad.
Not a straight body panel anywhere.
He wrecked so hard on my screen that it went to black.
I don't
Did
think
he really run out of gas right there? Oh, there's someone lining up.
Yes, we have the Jetta. The Jetta is helping out. What a courteous driver.
So you can go to www.isuckatracing.com. No, for real, that's the URL that we set up for this.